So there's two things that I want to point out that are just super important about why we do what we do. Number one is the concept of lead abundance. Lead abundance is really the lifeblood of how we've grown our business, but also how we coach and help with the services, the marketing services that we provide our clients grow their businesses. Lead abundance is the concept that if you don't have a certain number of leads coming in the door for your business every month, what happens is this scarcity cycle where you don't have enough leads coming in, so then you unconsciously start accepting the wrong clients who maybe are going to give you less profit, less revenue, and you can't grow the business like that. So what we've seen businesses at least get into the opportunity to double their revenues in a year is when they get into lead abundance, when you have enough leads coming in the door that then you can put people through application processes, you can handpick the clients that you want to work with, and then as a result, without increasing your staff or the complexity of your firm or business, you can actually increase your profits on a per client basis, which then gives you the money to reinvest in growing your company. And we've noticed that when you follow that model, lead abundance first, it solves a lot of your other problems. It will create new problems, but it will solve a lot of your problems. New problems like, how do I convert all these leads? New problems like, how do I expand my team to accommodate the increase in clients that I'm now getting for my business, right? So that's the one concept I wanted to point out that's really important, lead abundance. Separately from that, our number one core value, which is something that took a lot of scar tissue and pain to learn, was the concept of three-way wins. If you're looking to join our company, or maybe you're a client looking to work with us, the three-way win concept is so important. What it means is we don't just look for wins for ourselves. We don't just look for wins for our clients, right? We don't just look for wins that can make us more money. We look for three-way wins in all of our decisions at the company. Number one, decisions that create wins for our clients. Number two, decisions that make wins for our team's morale. And yes, number three, decisions that have financial wins for the business, where we're not losing money on the deal that we're doing, right? And when you balance these three wins, it creates a healthy culture, a healthy environment where we're not just like living this thing, the client's always right, the customer's always right. Because if the customer is always right and we just put all of our focus towards the customer and then our team goes insane and the customer is not profitable for us, we're going to be out of business and out of team members, right? So then we can't provide this amazing service to this client. So we had to go back to the drawing board and say, what do we really want from every decision in our business? We want wins for our clients. We want wins for the team's morale. This is why we've fired clients quite a few times. And we also want wins for the company financially so that we can reinvest in the team and reinvest in getting better results for our clients. So that's been our three-pronged equation. That's our number one core value at SMB Team that we always come back to when we're like, what do we do next? We come back to that core value.